Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best ceramic cat fountain is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked pieces of equipment for any discerning cat owner, offering a continuous supply of fresh, filtered water that encourages hydration and can significantly contribute to your feline friends' overall health and well-being, making it a worthwhile investment for their comfort and vitality. Number 5. PetSafe Drinkwell Platinum Pet Water Fountain. Meet the ultimate in pet hydration, designed for both style and your pet's well-being. This advanced fountain ensures your furry friends always have access to fresh, clean water. It features a patented free-falling stream of water, just like the original Drinkwell. This familiar flow encourages pets to drink more, keeping them happy, healthy, and hydrated. We've enhanced the design for safety and convenience. The new snap-on lid prevents accidental removal, giving you peace of mind. It also includes a pre-filter to catch debris. This helps maintain water purity and reduces the need for frequent cleaning. With its sleek gray finish, it complements any home decor. This fountain is not just functional, but a stylish addition to your living space. Boasting a generous 168-ounce capacity, it's perfect for multi-pet households or for pets who love to drink. You won't have to refill it as often. What we like? This fountain features a patented free-falling stream that encourages pets to drink more, promoting better hydration. If you have pets who are hesitant to drink from still water sources, this design is perfect for you. It offers a familiar and engaging way for them to stay refreshed. What people say? I like the size, the quietness, the nice-sized reservoir. You can control the flow. The Drinkwell is a high-quality product with a larger capacity than other fountains in the same price and size range, which means less frequent filling. The motor is nearly inaudible. It is easy to use and clean, and my cats love it. Number 4. PETKIT Wireless Pump Cat Water Fountain. Discover the revolutionary PETKIT Wireless Cat Water Fountain, designed for your pet's hydration needs. It offers a safer and more stable drinking experience. Our upgraded wireless pump 3.0 ensures stability and safety, eliminating wire entanglement. It also features a foam filter to protect the pump and extend its life, making cleaning a breeze. The water tank and base are designed to be separable, ensuring safety as the power supply is separate. This design also makes refilling and cleaning incredibly convenient. Equipped with PETKIT Filter 3.0, this fountain provides enhanced filtration. It ensures your pet always has access to fresh, clean water. Worry less about the device's longevity. The pump automatically stops if the water level is low, preventing dry burning and ensuring your pet's safety. Stay informed with the built-in indicator light. It alerts you to the fountain's working status and flashes blue when it's time to refill the water. The gushing design attracts pets, encouraging them to drink more. Plus, the upgraded pump operates at a whisper-quiet 25 dB, creating a peaceful environment. What we like? Experience ultimate convenience with its upgraded wireless pump and separable design for easy cleaning and safety. If you're looking for a hassle-free and safe option that simplifies maintenance, this is the one. The indicator light ensures you never forget to refill, making pet care effortless. What people say? The ceramic material is easy to clean and doesn't hold odors. The multiple water streams encourage cats to drink more. It's very quiet, my cats don't get scared by the noise. Number 3. PetSafe Replacement Pump Pack 00-13206. Ensure your pet always has access to fresh water with this essential replacement pump. It guarantees your pet's hydration is never interrupted, whether you have a cat or dog fountain. Enjoy peace and quiet with its submersible and silent operation. This pump is designed to work seamlessly, providing continuous water flow without disturbance. This pump is compatible with a wide range of PetSafe pet water fountains, including ceramic, stainless steel, and 360 models. It's the perfect backup for various fountain designs. Keeping your pet's fountain clean is simple with its easy-to-disassemble design. Regular cleaning every 2 weeks will extend the life of your fountain. From a trusted global leader in pet innovation since 1998, this pump is built to keep your pet healthy, safe, and happy. Rely on our quality promise for your pet's well-being. This package includes one replacement pump and a US adapter, featuring a cord approximately 5.5 feet long. It's everything you need to get your fountain running again. What we like? Ensure your pet's hydration is never interrupted with this reliable replacement pump. If your current PetSafe fountain pump is failing or you want a backup, this is the ideal solution. It's designed for easy cleaning and compatibility, keeping your pet's water flowing smoothly. What people say. The ceramic material is easy to clean and doesn't retain odors. The multiple water streams encourage pets to drink more water. The quiet operation ensures it won't disturb household peace. Number 2. PETLIBRO Dockstream Battery-Operated Cat Water Fountain. Introducing the PETLIBRO Dockstream, a cordless pet water fountain that offers your pets fresh, clean water wherever they go. Its wireless design ensures safety and comfort for your furry friends. With an exceptional battery life, this fountain keeps providing fresh water for extended periods. It ensures your pets stay hydrated even during power outages or when you're away for a short while. Cleaning is made simple with its detachable water tank and wireless pump. You can now spend less time on chores and more time with your pets. Choose between 2 convenient modes. The induction mode conserves power by dispensing water only when your pet is near, while the regular mode provides a continuous stream. Every sip is purified through a multi-stage filtration system. This removes impurities, odors, and debris, ensuring your pet always drinks oxygen-enriched, great-tasting water. The fountain features a durable stainless steel tray, adding to its hygiene and ease of cleaning. It's designed for both your pet's health and your convenience. What we like. Enjoy the freedom of cordless operation with exceptional battery life, perfect for any location. If you need a fountain that offers flexibility in placement or are concerned about power outages, this is an excellent choice. The dual water modes cater to both convenience and encouraging your pet to drink. What people say. The setup of this fountain is super simple. Everything is intuitive, and the fountain really only fits together one way. The water flow is excellent, and it is very quiet. The lack of a window to monitor water level is what kept me from purchasing this sooner. I didn't think that the red light that notifies you when the water level is low would be noticeable enough, but it really is. And surprisingly, the motor shut off when the level is too low actually works. This fountain is so easy to clean. Fewer parts, easy to put back together, and because of the wireless motor, so much easier to clean without worrying about the power end of a cord getting wet while you're struggling to take the motor apart for cleaning. This fountain cuts the cleaning time in half at least, and because of the ease of cleaning, I've been much better about cleaning more frequently, every 2 weeks as recommended. Number 1. PETKIT EVERSWEET Solo 2 Cat Water Fountain. Meet the EVERSWEET Solo 2, the perfect water fountain for your beloved pets. It's designed to provide fresh, clean water with ultimate convenience. Enjoy peace and quiet with its ultra-quiet pump, operating at less than 25 decibels. Your pet can drink without any disturbance. Stay informed with smart app control via Bluetooth. You can easily monitor its status and receive low water level reminders right on your phone. Designed with safety in mind, it features a wireless pump and a detachable body, ensuring a secure and easy-to-use experience. It boasts a multi-layer filtration system that effectively removes impurities, odors, and heavy metals, ensuring every sip is pure. Choose from 3 working modes, Smart, Normal, and Night, to suit your pet's needs and your lifestyle. With a 2L capacity, it ensures your pet always has access to water. Regular cleaning is recommended to maintain optimal performance and longevity. What we like. Stay connected and in control with app integration and multiple working modes for optimal pet hydration. If you appreciate smart home technology and want to monitor your pet's water intake remotely, this fountain is for you. Its ultra-quiet operation ensures a peaceful environment while keeping your pet refreshed. What people say. This unit, for those of you who don't fully get it, inductively drives the motor, so no wires connected to the motor at all. The motor sits on the bottom and operates inductively. It's super quiet. It has a filter, which, given the construction of the unit, would take some considerable abuse to seriously clog. And it looks cleanable. Has a sight on the side to monitor water level. Given the modular design, it's just wildly easy to clean. My cat drinks more water than he did from bowls or from 3 other fountains I've had. It's tall enough that he doesn't have to bend awkwardly to drink. You don't have to use the app after setting it up, unless you want to pause it, change from constant flow to smart flow, 3 minutes on 3 minutes off, or keep track of when you last changed the filter. I especially like that I don't have to unplug it and drag the cord with me to the sink to clean and refill it. It sits on the base which keeps it powered. It's at head height, so if your cat is fully grown it's perfect for drinking without bending. The water in the center is about an inch deep and it's where the tube pumps the water up. The water on the edges is shallow. If you add more water the edge can be deeper. It is super quiet. Easy to assemble and take apart. Hold a lot of water so if I go away for a day or two they'll be okay. Has double filter. One for the water and one for the pump. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.